Welcome back to Health Glow Up. Today we're uncovering 5 magical secrets to achieve glowing skin naturally. Ready to shine? 5 magic things for glowing skin. First up, drink plenty of water. Hydration is key. Make sure to sip on at least 8 glasses of water daily. This helps keep your skin hydrated and radiant from within. Next, let's talk about healthy eating. Fruits, veggies, pulses, and grains are packed with vitamins and minerals that help repair and renew your skin. Number 3, get your beauty sleep. Your skin does most of its repair while you sleep. A restful night ensures you wake up with fresher, brighter skin. Our 4th tip is sun protection. Harmful UV rays can damage your skin. Always apply sunscreen before heading out and avoid excessive sun exposure. Finally, treat yourself to a weekly face mask. A mask can deeply cleanse and enhance your skin's glow. Here are some easy recipes you can try at home. Honey and curd mask. Mix honey and curd, apply it on your face, and enjoy a moisturizing and smoothing experience. Avocado and honey mask. Blend avocado with honey for a nourishing treat that your skin will love. Cucumber and curd mask. Grind cucumber and mix with curd. This mask cools and brightens your skin. Remember, glowing skin requires patience. Stick with these tips and you'll see results over time. And if you have any skin conditions, it's always best to consult a dermatologist. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips. Here's to a radiant you.